Hi friends, hope you're well and welcome to the new update on BTC. This is Latif and you are watching Moon333, and the information I'm providing here is for educational purpose only. This is not intended to be investment advice, so please seek a duly licensed professional and do your own research as well for investment advice. Guys, as we have discussed in my previous videos that the BTC is at its very strong support at this time that is not ever broken since it is appeared or born in its history, and that is the 200 simple moving average. That is not broken since June 2015, since it is appeared in this in the history of the Bitcoin. We can see here, as per Bitstamp exchange, it was appeared first time in June 2015. All right. This is the new development in the price action of BTC. After this drop, we can see the BTC has formed a descending triangle, and this is the resistance of the triangle, and this is the support of this triangle. After this drop, the triangle is confirmed more, and it is now more clearly visible. And we can see at this time, the price line is not hitting at the support of this triangle, but hitting at the 200 simple moving average. And I'm expecting that this time it will not hit at the support like it has hit here back in 2018 and also in September 2017. So why it will not hit at this support? For example, here we have two hurdles and strong supports. For example, number one is the Bollinger Band. We can see that the lower band of this Bollinger Band is above the support level of this pennant or descending triangle. And there is another very strong support. Obviously, this is the 200 simple moving average of this weekly chart that is not broken down since it has appeared in the history of the Bitcoin. Even though we have seen in 9th March on the candlestick of 9th March that was started on the 9th March that the long bearish candlestick has even hit the price beyond this simple moving average, 200 simple moving average, but so far it is not able to break it down, and now it is moving up. And now we have the recent candlestick on weekly chart that is started yesterday on 23rd of March that is above this 200 simple moving average. Very, very positive sign. Now, if I'll zoom out the chart for you to show you the clear and visible move of the price action and the support of 200 simple moving average, then we can see that first time the price action has hit on this support of 200 simple moving average in June 2015, after when this support was appeared. Then the price action turned very strong bullish and moved up by 8,900%. That is really a very big bullish move when the price action achieved the highest price ever in the history of the Bitcoin, and that was almost $20,000. At that time, we also had the pivot low point at $198. And after that, the price action retraced back on this 200 simple moving average support, and again, it turned very strong bullish, up by 300%. That is also a very strong move, but not as that much as we had here from June 2015 up to December 2017. But that was also a very big bullish move, more than 300%. And at that time, our pivot low point was $3,122. And this is the third time ever in the history of the Bitcoin then that we can see that the price action is again retraced back on this 200 simple moving average. And this time it can even turn more bullish because this can be a kind of double bottom on this simple moving average support, the 200 simple moving average support. And here, in my opinion, our next pivot low point will be created here at 4,400, not 4,400. I think the lowest price is $3,850. I'm just placing my mouse cursor here, then you can see the lowest price here. All right, and that is $3,850. That will be our next pivot low point. And This is the chart that I have already discussed with you. That is the BTC is has formed a downtrend line like it has already formed from Feb 2018 up to December 2018. And after that, it turned very strong bullish because we had, I've already told you that we had the POC level of this price action, of the volume profile of this complete price action moving above this trend line at $6,500. And we have a very low interest of the traders below this level, below $6,000 levels. And when the price action moved down below the POC level and below this level where the traders' interest is very low, the price action turned very strong bullish. At that time, the price action was also hitting at the support of 200 simple moving average, and also the price action was hitting at that time at the support of this descending triangle as well. So it turned very strong bullish and moved up by 300%. At this time, we have a same kind of situation, almost same kind of situation, even though we are not hitting at the support of this descending triangle, because this time we have these two very strong supports, the 200 simple moving average and also the lower bands of this Bollinger Band. And we have this support as well. That is the downtrend line that has topped the price action to reach up to the support of this descending triangle. Therefore, we can expect that the price action will turn here from here very strong bullish. And we also have the POC of this volume profile above the price action. And we have already discussed that the POC of the volume profile already always works like the center of gravity for the price action. Whenever the price action moves down or moves up, it always pulls back the price action towards itself, like we have seen in the previous history of the price action, like here, and we can see also here, and we can expect the same move again. And at this time, if we see the trader's interest as per volume profile of this complete price action moving above this trend line, then we can see the trader's interest is very low, below $7,200. So there are strong chances that because the price action is moving at the level where the trader's interest is very low, so it can also turn a strong bullish from here, like it was turned here at this time when it was moving below this level where we had the trader's interest very low. Now, if the price action will take the bullish divergence from here, then where the price action can go. For example, last time I've shown you that the price action also had formed a bullish a harmonic pattern, and that was a bullish crab pattern on this 2-day chart at the support of this pennant. At the support of this 200 simple moving average. That was a positive signal. I just posted this chart on 14th of March that we have a very strong harmonic pattern formation. We can see this is a perfect bullish crab pattern. If we see the Fibonacci sequence, the first leg, after first leg formation, we have the price action retracement up to 0.382 to 0.618 Fibonacci. And after that, we have the Fibonacci projection between 0.382 to 0.886 Fibonacci. And the final leg has dropped or retraced up to the area between 1.27 up to 1.618 Fibonacci. This recent strong bearish trend has helped the price action to complete this final leg. And we can see I just predicted that the price action should take the bullish divergence from here, and it should enter in this Fibonacci projection of A to D lag from $6,477 up to $9,980. I am just playing this idea and see the magic. We can see that the price action moved up in this area, but I'm expecting that it will be turned more bullish, and even it will cross this level of $9,000, $9,098 as well. And this is the Fibonacci projection of A to D lag up to 0.786 Fibonacci level. And after that, it can turn more bullish, because we have a very, very strong and very big bullish harmonic garlic pattern formed on this monthly chart. And here we can have the idea from this chart that where the price action realistically can go on this long-term move, on long-term perspective. So at this time we can see that the price action is moving within this potential reversal zone, and this is a perfect garlic pattern, as I've already shown you in my previous videos as well. After the first leg, we have the retracement between 0.618 to 0.786 Fibonacci level, and we have the Fibonacci projection between 0.382 to 0.886 Fibonacci projection of A to B leg, and we needed the final retracement between 0.618 to 0.786 Fibonacci level. And this we can see that this is a very strong bearish candle, even it has hit the price beyond this potential reversal zone. But I'm just ignoring this spike because it has retraced back in this potential reversal zone or buying zone of Bitcoin. And this potential reversal zone starts from $7,235 and ends up to $5,424, where we have also this support of 200 simple moving average. Therefore, this 200 simple moving average on monthly chart and this potential reversal zone, the maximum extent of this potential reversal zone should be our stop loss point. In case of complete candlestick opens and closes below this zone or below the 200 simple moving average, then we should take exit for to minimize the risk of our investment. Because in that situation, it can move more down to form bullish butterfly pattern. But at this time, I'm expecting that it will take the bullish divergence from here, and it should move up between 0.382 to 0.786 Fibonacci projection of A to D leg, and that is between $8,654 up to $12,070. And there is another perspective or other target we can set. Like, for example, if we place this Fibonacci projection tool from the tail of the triangle up to the support of this triangle, then the price action can move between this area from 0.382 to 0.786 Fibonacci level, and that is from $9,300 up to $16,000. So we can set our targets according to this pattern, or we can also set our sell targets according to this pattern as well. But believe me, if we will break out this triangle, once the price action will break out this triangle, then it can turn very, very strong bullish. And if it will also cross up this 0.786 Fibonacci level, that is almost at $12,070, then definitely it will be turned very, very strong bullish. There is another thing I want to share with you, that how I am finding the market bottom at this time. For that, I'm using some set of indicators. For example, at this time, I'm using the William market top bottom indicator available on the Tradingview. And this is very, very useful indicator to find the market bottoms. I usually use this indicator. Even I have studied more than 14,000 indicators available on the Tradingview and on the different platforms as well. But this is one of the best indicator I have found to find the market bottoms that is available free of cost. But always use, whenever you use any indicator, always use a set of indicators. For example, here I'm using this indicator with this moving average convergence divergence, the MACD, and the momentum indicator. For example, like we can see that when the price action has hit previously in December 2018 at the support of the triangle and on the support of this 200 simple moving average, then we can see at that time we had received the green signals from this William top bottom indicator. It means that sellers are active, the sell is in acceleration, and we shouldn't buy at that time. We shouldn't enter in the market. And here On 24th of December, we can see that we have received a gray signal. It is turned gray. It means that we have reached the market bottoms. And we can also see that the stochastic was also turned weak bearish from strong bearish. And after that, we just need to wait for the momentum. And at that time, on 24th of December, we can see the momentum was very strong bullish, and it is turned weak bearish from strong bearish on 4th February 2019. So at that time, the MACD was also turning bullish, and it has the Williams top bottom indicator also already gave us the indication that we have reached the market bottom. And here we can see that the momentum indicator was also turning bullish. So we are confirmed that the market has really reached the bottom. So we can place at that time our buying, and we can see that how much the price action turned bullish. It moved more than 300% at that time. So at this time, there is a very positive move or positive indication we are having from the Williams top bottom indicator that it is turned gray. So it has given us the signal that we have reached the market bottom. But this is the first day because this is the weekly chart, and we can see this candlestick was started yesterday on 23rd of March. Therefore, we should need for some more indications. It can be the fake indication because sometimes it happens at the starting of the candlestick we receive the positive signal, but during the week or during the candlestick time period, it turns again bearish. Therefore, we need for some other two confirmation. Here, I'm using the two other confirmations. The stochastic is very strong bearish at this time. It should turn bullish, or it should turn weak bearish from strong bearish like it was turned here. And I'm also looking for this momentum indicator. It is turned weak bullish from strong bullish. So if it would turn again strong bullish like it was here in the dark green color, or if it will be turned in dark red color, strong bearish, then I will wait that it should turn weak bearish like it was turned here. Then I will place my buying orders, and we will be confirmed that we have really reached the bottom. So at this time, we should wait for some other signals. Otherwise, I think the patterns, the chart patterns are showing us that market is going to be turned strong bullish. As we can see today, if we visit the coinmarketcap.com, then we can see that the cryptocurrency market cap is increased up to $182 billion. Today I have seen it is up to $188 billion. So then I just posted my last video. At that time, the market cap was almost $170 billion. So it means the traders and investors are coming and joining the crypto market at this time. Therefore, there are very positive signals. We are having investors coming into the market, joining the market, and the traders as well. So therefore, we have already received quite sufficient confirmation. But if you would like to use some other indications and set of indicators, then you should use the Williams indicator, and you can also use your own set of indicators with that as well. So this was the update by the Bitcoin price action. If I'll find some more developments, then definitely I'll share with you. And I hope that you have liked this long-term technical analysis on Bitcoin. If you like the video, then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel. Take care. Goodbye.